Oh my goodness, we're back in the heat again. Huh? Just wonder I'm not sick. This weather's so weird. So this is November 30th, 2018, last day of the month. I will not be getting this done by Christmas, but I'm gonna work as hard as I can to get as much as I can get done. The humidity is a little bit higher than I'd like, but you know, I got to get some of this stuff done. Okay, for my paint, I took it in, had it shaken, and guess what? It just kind of went funky on me again. That's kind of a pretty color, actually. But yeah, I got to keep stirring it till I get it right. I should just get one of those things you put on a drill and mix this sucker up with that. Because this isn't good. So I'm going to stir till I get that mixed the way I want it. Yeah, look at the lid. And it's not even pink paint. Arg. And then I'm going to put some paint on the bathroom cabinet. Yay. I hope this paint covers. I think it may have sat too long. We'll see. Okay, let's take a little test amount to this paint. And put it on the cabinet and see what happens. Okay, it's covering. Okay, it's not pink. I'm sorry. Okay, it's covering and it's not pink. Okay, we're in business then. Cool. Oh, goodness. Now you know what one of my secret colors is. Any day I get to paint is a blessing. Yeah, it's kind of a little messed up around the ceiling line. I'm such a perfectionist. I can fix that, I think. Yeah, I kind of messed it up a line a little bit too. I guess it's just not going to be perfect, is it? But I like the color. Actually, it was a little different than I thought because I thought it was supposed to be a light gray. Maybe it will dry into a light gray, but it kind of looks like a light tan to me, which is fine. I got the under part done. There you go. Okay, back to work with me. And I'm using this thing to put along the edge as I paint, then I have to wipe it off each time. I can't show you that and paint at the same time. Now we were painting this closet. And yeah, I still have to get back here and do this wall and this wall. But I still have to put another coat of paint on this. I want to do white on this side. So, and then I'm going to do that supposedly light gray, but looks like tan color on this, like I did over here. And of course that'll be white against that, so that's a nice contrast. And then, yeah, I like this. It can be really nice. My first coat of the colored paint is on this cabinet. It's on the closet. This wall's going to remain white over here. And it'll be on this closet. It is on this closet. So I'm going to go ahead and put another coat of white paint on over here and then call it a day. I'm glad I came down, even though I didn't have a whole lot of time. Just didn't get a little bit done. Okay, got my other coat of paint on this wall. This is looking great. I'm really happy with this. And finished painting the edges. I don't know if they'll need another coat. Yeah, I think they will need another coat. But that's okay. One more coat should do it on that. And I'll get those, yeah, I got that plastic stripping all done and painted. Painting plastic isn't the best thing, because quite often it chips, but, you know, I kind of didn't have a choice in this matter, so it had to be done. So, this weekend I'll clean up those walls. It's, like I said, it was Friday. Tomorrow is December 1st, 2018. And I'll get these walls cleaned up, and I'll start painting under there as well. Getting there. It's gonna look great. The paint rollers hold up well if you just cover them with plastic wrap. And I will take my paint brushes and the pans over and wash them out with soap and water. And let's see what the temperature is now. Okay, so it's 81 degrees. So we survived another day. It's gonna be hot this weekend though. It's December, right? December in Texas. There you go. Okay, catch y'all later. Live the life you love, and thank you for watching. Maybe the next one will even be cooler. Bye. Thanks, y'all. Love you. Bye.